Hi everybody. Yesterday I worked on making a holiday mask and I discovered that, I guess I could have anticipated this, discovered that my surface area that I was using for the images that I would create was a little bit irregular because of the pleats. So it's causing a bit of a problem. I mean, I suppose I could work around it and design different images so that maybe they could be centered just around the front of the mask, but I've found a different pattern that I'm going to try to experiment for these holiday masks that I'm going to create. And I actually had seen some people wearing these, and people have told me that they really like them. So I'm watching a video and documenting at the same time how this is done. The first thing is to cut a pattern, and the pattern starts with a 7-inch by 10-inch piece of fabric. Then we're going to measure 2 inches in on each side, and we're going to cut across the pattern so that we create notches in the corners. So I'm just going to do this now here. So I'm aiming at that corner. Okay. Then, according to the video that I'm watching, you fold this in two, and then you fold it again here, and that is so that you can create a marking that then you will make a little curve. So about 3/4 of an inch here is what she did. 3/4 of an inch here. And let me just make sure that's somewhat even, because that would be sad. If it came out uneven. And it is the pattern that I'm making, of course, so. And then just basically do a curve here. Actually, it looks a little deep. Okay. And then we cut. Okay, so this is our pattern, and we will cut our fabric out of it.